guys and welcome. So I do not have anything on my face and you can see all my acne patches, acne scars which are acting up, and I want this video to be as raw and real. So my skin is feeling extremely dry, so I'm gonna show you the products, or the products only, or the things that I use when I have an acne breakout. Now depending on the severity of the acne, you will have to go and show a dermat, because there are certain things only a dermat can prescribe you, like certain medicines like tretinoin and other things which can help heal your acne faster if your acne is at that level where it needs to be treated. Now all these things that I'm going to show you, they are prescribed to me by a dermat at one point, and then now I am using them just because I know, she told me how to use them in the future. So I'm just going to share with you guys my routine, but I highly recommend that for certain products you do go and talk to a dermat, and she'll walk you through your situation, because the acne I have, I understand which acne is what, why is it coming, and what to apply. But if you are new, or not new, but if you have not understood, like if you do not know acne, you don't know what acne you have, it can be difficult to understand what is the remedy to treat that acne. I hope that makes sense. So let me tell you things I use on my skin whenever I have an acne breakout. The first thing actually is this lactocalamine face moisturizer / face cream. So this is basically something that makes sure that my face does not produce any excess oil. Any excess oil is going to result in me having more breakouts. Okay, and honestly guys, this is really good even for everyday use. If you have oily or acne prone skin, you can just without any concern or doubt just use this as your everyday I would not say moisturizer, but something that you apply to absorb the excess oil, because this has kaolin clay. So yeah, but especially when I have a breakout like right now, I make sure I am applying lactocalamine every single morning. Then I have the next the next product is this benzoyl peroxide cream gel. What is it? It's a gel. Okay, and this thing is almost over. I don't think anything is gonna come out also. Okay, it's completely over. But I will be I will be squeezing out and removing thoda jitna bhi nikalta hai, and then I'll be ordering a new one tomorrow from my chemist nearby. And the next thing I use is adapalene gel, which is 0.1%. Okay, this is also almost about to get over, which I will be ordering tomorrow. So these two things you need to apply. Now benzoyl peroxide is going to prevent any acne causing bacteria which can sort of make you have more acne. Right, so when you start getting acne, one acne comes here, then here, then here, then here. So benzoyl peroxide will prevent that. And this adapalene gel, adapalene, I'm not too sure, but this makes sure that your acne scars do not last longer. So I make sure that I'm using these, and this I do a spot treatment sometimes, and this as well. Other times I just mix both of this and apply on my face. Now here's the thing guys, your face becomes extremely sensitive to other products that you will be applying. So you want to make sure you don't apply any products when you're applying these two products which have fragrance in them. So you have to make sure that, like, my skin has gone through so much that my skin barrier is strong AF, I guess. So which is why I am able to use this. But maybe when you start using these two products, your skin might become very sensitive and you might not be able to tolerate this. It's fine. There are many other alternatives which again your dermat can tell you better. But yeah, these two products have helped me so much. And also tretinoin. So I used to take this one medicine called Tretin, I think 400, I'm not too sure, don't quote me on that, but that is something I only take when my dermat tells me to. That is when I have an insane cystic acne breakout. Right now also this is cystic acne. Okay, cystic acne is basically when you feel the acne is really deep in your skin. And if you can see, okay, if you can see, these are big scars. These are not like thoda pus hai and it will go off. No, these are deep, and this usually comes, for me, I know why they come, because of stress. I have like a lot of, not stress like that, but in general there's a lot of stress in terms of the amount of work I have to do and things I have to get done. So there's a lot on my plate currently. My sleep cycle is completely effed up. You know, like too many things are happening, and on top of that, summer is arriving, summer is coming, and every time that happens, I think I have some mental stress, because I think growing up as a kid, I had a lot of heat issues like rashes. I have had allergies because of heat and stuff. So I think mentally also I'm really scared of the sun. Like, you know, if you have seen that ad of Glucon-D, when the kids go out to play, that straw comes and it's sucking the vitamin D from your head. So every time I have to go out in the sun or do anything where, you know, there's gonna be heat with heat of the sun, I feel that is happening to me, and I get weakness, and like that's a whole different story. It's completely like in my mind, I know it. And the next thing that I use is these pimple patches. Now the reason or like when to apply these pimple patches, there is a specific reason. A, when you are going to be going out somewhere, you do not want any dust or dirt to sit on your, you know, acne scars. So when you wash your face, don't apply any moisturizer, don't apply anything. As soon as you wash your face, the first thing you want to apply is your acne patches or pimple patches. That will also reduce the redness or the angriness of your pimple. It will calm it down, and many a times your acne will just go away like that. It might take time, but it will go away. So this is not like an overnight fix, but this will make sure your acne does not get worse. And if you are having like an extreme acne breakout everywhere, this is not gonna cut it. You are going to have to go on something stronger. This is something, if you have a situation like mine where you have like, you know, random patches which are sort of just coming, you can work with this, which is why I am using this. Even if you get like a small acne, you know, sometimes you eat junk food or you start using glycolic lactic acid, you might get small acne. And that is fine. If you are using things like glycolic acid and lactic acid and or salicylic acid, and you get 1-2 acne here and there, pimples here and there, it's fine. Your skin is basically just throwing out all the dirt and impurities and all the dead skin cells which are there in your skin. So that's fine. You can just use, at that point, just use these pimple patches and put them on, you know, those few spots, and you are good to go. So that is basically all I do. So also I will be applying a lip balm. Any lip balm is fine. Lip balm obviously does not really do anything for your face. Just make sure that you are also using clean pillow covers. Don't put your face where it's dirty, and you're good to go, and your acne will be fine. Guys, do not when you get acne, I know it can be very demotivating, very frustrating, because you know you have no control over it, but do not get demotivated, do not get stressed out, because the more you get stressed out for getting acne, the more acne you're gonna get, and that's gonna be like a catch-22 situation wherein you will not know, you know, what to do, because A is leading to B and B is leading to A. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that is what is going to happen. So if you get acne, it's fine. Just try you know, these small things like using kaolin clay, using these patches at home is fine. Otherwise, just go see your dermat. Honestly guys, dermats take what, like 500,000 bucks at max, which is worth, you know, giving them if they are going to give you a solution. Just make sure that you are not going to a dermat and they tell you some Ayurvedic creams and this and that. If you want, you can actually go ask them about these two products. These are extremely good, and most dermats will recommend you these two products only for acne, because you know they're really good. Also, they might also tell you azelaic acid, because that's also really good for acne scars. So I really hope this video helps you, gives you some insight. If you are not already, please do follow me, please do subscribe. I also have Instagram. If you want, you can go follow me there as well. I'll see you very soon in my next video, and bye bye. I love you.